Dear friends, today let us discuss about 22 stocks including Canara Bank, Infosys, Coal India, etc. Those have announced split or dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. PVV Infra. It's also known as Tirthankar Infra. Current market price is rupees 37 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 29th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is issuing bonus and splitting the stock. HDFC Asset Management Company Limited. Share is trading around rupees 3,650 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 70 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Mahindra Logistics Limited. Current market price is rupees 452 per share. Announced dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. Both the record date and ex-date is not at all finalized. Canara Bank, 115 years old PSU bank, is splitting their stock in the ratio 1:5. Current market price of Canara Bank is rupees 600. Stock split 1:5 means if you have 10 shares of Canara Bank, your 10 shares convert to 50 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is 15th May 2024. To get the benefit of stock split of Canara Bank, you have to purchase the shares of Canara Bank before 15th May 2024. South Indian Bank. Company announced a board meeting on 2nd May 2024. Current price of South Indian Bank is rupees 29. Purpose of the board meeting is Q4 and dividend. Bombay Oxygen Investments Limited. Current market price is rupees 18,782. Company announced a board meeting on 4th May 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing audited result. Havells India Limited. Market price is 1,547 per share. This company announced a board meeting on 30th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Infosys. Share is trading around rupees 1,439 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 28 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is 1st June 2024. To get the dividend of Infosys, you have to purchase the shares of Infosys before 1st June 2024. Aptus Value Housing Finance India. Current price is rupees 331 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 3rd May 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Swaraj Engines. Share is trading around rupees 2,480 per share. The company has announced a dividend of rupees 95 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is 28th June 2024. Dhampur Bioorganics. Current market price is rupees 136. Company announced a board meeting on 24th April 2024 to announce the Q4 and to declare dividend. Malaxi Pharmaceuticals. Share is trading around rupees 572 per share. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 10 shares of Malaxi Pharmaceuticals, your 10 shares convert to 50 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Benares Hotels Limited. The current price of this company is 9,215. The company announced a dividend of rupees 25. But the ex-date and record date is upcoming. Eveready Industries India Limited. Current market price is rupees 356. Company announced a board meeting on 24th April 2024. That is to declare dividend and to announce Q4. Coal India Limited. Current price is rupees 442 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 2nd May 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Premier Explosives Limited. Current market price is rupees 2,380 per share. This company also announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Elecon Engineering Company. Current market price is rupees 1,134 per share. This company announced a dividend of rupees 2 and announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Elecon Engineering Company Limited. Current price is rupees 1,134 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share and stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 10 shares of Elecon Engineering, you will get a 2 rupees dividend for 10 shares. So 20 rupees. Your 10 shares convert to 20 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Aimco Elecon India Limited. Current price is rupees 2,126 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Clean Science and Technology Limited. Share is trading around rupees 1,300 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 27th April to declare dividend and to announce audited result. HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited. Current price is rupees 601. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is 21st June 2024. Axis Bank Limited. Current price is rupees 1,055 per share. The company will announce the dividend on the board meeting, which is to be held on 24th April 2024. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.